coming up in this video, I've got a very simple, another one, very simple cocktail using Whitley Neill's, or I keep saying Whitley Neill, JJ Whitley's watermelon and lime vodka. This is super tasty, super refreshing, little bit of a fruity twist to this one. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks even more. This is all about drinks inspiration. Got a bottle of watermelon and lime vodka, what can you make with it? These are the sort of videos for you. Before we crack on, big shout out to my Patreon guys, Christopher, Mark, Ben and Lucy. Thank you for your ongoing support. More about Patreon at the end of this video. Let's crack on. Another new glass, this time from Drink Stuff. It's kind of a sling glass, but we're going to make a nice kind of tall cocktail in there. It's going to be absolutely lovely. So we're going to make it in a cocktail shaker. First ingredients, watermelon, lime vodka. Smells of lime, but the taste is watermelon in your face. It's so tasty. Love this. 50ml double bubble. There we go. Next ingredient, some lime juice. 15ml of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1.5. Then we're going for a fruity liqueur for this. I thought this would work quite well. I've had this quite a while. I don't actually use it that often, but I've got a Caribbean pineapple liqueur from Giffard, or however you want to say it. But really sort of vibrant pineapple liqueur. 15ml of that. You smell the pineapple straight away. So I've got pineapple, watermelon, lime. Oh, it's going to be so tasty. And then final two ingredients, one before the shake. I'm going 50ml of cranberry and raspberry juice, supermarket owned cranberry and raspberry juice. Absolutely fine. So lovely. I think the raspberry with the cranberry for me works so much better. I just love it. I absolutely love it. So 50ml of that. Then all we need to do now is just ice up the glass and ice up the cocktail shaker. Plenty of ice. Now, as normal, you know the drill. Tin on, hard, fast shake for about 12 seconds. All right, you need to chill it down. When that is nice and chilled, it's really hot in here today. Oh, that's lovely. When that's nice and chilled, take your glass out. One final ingredient before the pour. I'm going for some Sprite, lemon lime soda, whatever you want to call it. Sprite 7-Up. Again, I think that works a little bit better than lemonade. 50ml. 50ml. There we go. Now just pour it in there to save sort of having to stir it, because it'll just float on top. In there. So all we need to do now, single strain it. Perfect. Look at that. And then just garnish. Again, the obvious garnish for this is going to be a watermelon. So stick that on top. Then you could add a sprig of mint on there as well, just to set it off. Red and green always goes well. Serve it up with a straw. What's it taste like? Oh, again, that's so, it's that watermelon. Big, I keep saying, but big, bold watermelon notes. You don't really get it, you get the lime on the smell. But the taste, and I just think, just very simply, I just really do think that the whole sort of cranberry raspberry with the whole watermelon, I think is one of my favourite kind of mixes. Works really well. But with this cocktail, get a little bit of pineapple coming through there. Just a fun, fruity summertime drink. So as I say, I am terrible at naming cocktails and I want you to help me with it. So whatever your suggestions are, stick them in the comments box below. We'll pick the favourites, which will go up into my cocktail book that you can get. If you're a Patreon member, you can get the free version. If you download it from any of my videos, you'll see the link in the comments. But the updated version you get, and that's where that will be. So yeah, if you like this video, You know what to do. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my content, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell to get notified every time YouTube sets a new video live. And then, as I say, go and check out my Patreon, my membership tiers, because there's some awesome fun in there. Loads of value, I hope, to help you, to teach, to educate. There's a fun tier, and there's also a learning tier. So go and check that out. Cheers.